Linking your bank to Pleo can streamline your expense management and make transactions easier. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Log into your Pleo account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Pleo website. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on it to access your account settings where you can manage your bank connections. Step 3. Select bank accounts. In the settings menu, find the option labeled bank accounts or similar. Click on this option to view the current linked accounts and the option to add a new one. Step 4. Add your bank account. Click on the button to add a new bank account. You will be prompted to enter your bank details, such as account number and sort code. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link button to finalize the connection. You may receive a confirmation message once the process is complete. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Pleo, enhancing your financial management experience.